our mother tongue. If truly a people dearly love the tongue to have my heaven sent, they'll surely yearn for a liberty, like a bird above and the firmament, because by its language one can judge a town, a barrio, and kingdom. And like any other created thing, every human being loves his freedom. One who doesn't love his native tongue. It's worse that you treat fish and beasts a worse and like to a truly precious thing, and therefore deserve to be cherished. The Tagalog language akin to Latin, to English, Spanish, angelical tongue. For God, who knows how to look after us, this language He bestowed us upon. As mother, our language is the same, with alphabet and letters of its own. It was lost because a storm did destroy. On the lake, the Bangka, in years by God. My explanation of mother tongue. Sa tulang wika ni Jose Rizal, pinakita niya ang pagmamahal sa sariling wika bilang tanda ng pagmamahal sa bayan. Para sa kanya, ang wika ay isang nagmamahayag kayamanan ng dapat pangalagaan. Na inihambing niya ang wika ng isang regalo mula sa Diyos na nagbibigay daan sa tao na nakipag-ugnayan ang mga pagwawalang bahala sa sariling wika ay katulad ng pagwawalang bahala sa sariling kultura at kasaysayan. Sa madaling salita, ang tula ay nagpapaalala sa atin na mahalaga ang ating wika at dapat nating ipagmalaki ito.